Dear candidates, I am B. Ramakrishnan, one of the coaching facilitators from Vision Excellence Consultancy Private Limited. First, let me thank you all for having selected Vision Excellence for undergoing this course, Lean Six Sigma Green Belt. This course is going to be very interesting and productive for very many reasons. We will see a few reasons here. First, you can learn at your pace during this course. There is no compulsion that you'll have to do this, that, and all. Right? The course will be only during the weekends, not weekdays. Right? There will be an introductory webinar wherein we will say what we are going to teach you in this course, the Six Sigma tools and techniques. These tools and techniques will be not only useful for the Six Sigma methodology, but also useful for your entire lifetime. Whatever be the situations, you can apply these tools and techniques. You will appreciate this at the end of the course. And there will be a Google class. You'll be invited to join. You can join there. And you can see this pre-recorded videos. It will be a prerequisite so that when you attend the class, you will be very familiar with whatever we are talking to you. And even if you miss a few hours due to emergency, you can always make it up during your free time at your convenience. During the session, whatever we teach you will be recorded, and these recorded sessions will be available in the Google Classroom for you to view throughout the course period. And apart from that, the next day, the previous day topics will be recapped for your benefits. There will be a question hour session so that we will know the answers to all the questions that raised during the previous classes in your mind. Right. There will also be a WhatsApp group developed. You will be split into teams so that peer learning is possible. In WhatsApp group, you will be the members, and if you want, you can join us also so that we will also contribute in your group. It will be purely a peer group discussions. You can raise your doubts, you can have clarifications, you can make it from whatever we teach, you can make your comments. All these things you can share with us if you want, or you can raise the doubts and comments in the Google Classroom. You can upload all these things, right? And the Google Classroom's assignments will be given by us. You will have to submit the assignments, and whoever submits assignments, it will be evaluated as soon as possible by us so that you know your knowledge level. Practical sessions will be there in the classes. Please note that online classes, practical sessions is a new thing. And you will be put into real-time situations so that you know how to apply Six Sigma tools and techniques in real-time situations. And all the PDF materials also will be given. These PDF materials will be a lifetime asset for you. You can view and look at it any situations in your lifetime. That's it. And knowledge sharing is not the only thing that we are going to assure you. The Green Belt certificate issued by the prestigious MSME Government of India is also assured by us. There will also be doubt clarification classes conducted by us on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This is not compulsory, but this will definitely be useful for those who want to have a deep dive into the subjects. All intricate questions can be answered here. Excel will be taught, Minitab will be taught, mathematical concepts will be taught, statisticals you will be mastering. So you will have all these benefits if you're interested. And there will also be a 6-month support from us after the course is over. All these things are going to make this course very interesting for you. And I'm looking forward to have a fruitful discussions with you, fruitful sessions so that teaching learning will be improved for both you and us. Thank you very much for listening to us. Looking forward to see you soon in our classroom. Thank you. Bye.